How to uninstall Roblox on computer. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete or uninstall Roblox from your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, you can only uninstall the application Roblox from your PC, so you can delete or uninstall the Roblox from your browsers. So you have to just install the application from the Microsoft Store, and from then you can only uninstall that application from your PC. So for that, you'll have to just click on your Windows icon just at the bottom of your screen. Alright, so from the Windows icon, you'll have to just click on the option All. Okay, so from the section, you'll have to just scroll down and find out the application Roblox. Alright, so after you find the application Roblox, you'll have to just point out that application, and from there you'll have to just do a right click. Alright, so after you do a right click, you can easily find out the options like uninstall, so simply click on that uninstall option. Okay, so from here you'll have to just click on option uninstall. Okay, so by clicking on that option, you can easily uninstall the Roblox application from your PC or laptop. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.